All right, guys, we got us a 2007 GMC Sierra 1500 5.3 liter V8. And what we got done on it for you guys, it's got high flow cats that were put on somewhere else. This one and this one. Then it's true dual all the way back. His muffler rotted out, so we put him a FLOWMASTER Super 40. I'll get you guys the part number in a second. And then we reused his tailpipes also out the back and put 4-inch tips or 3.5-inch long tips there, and they're double wall stainless steel. He didn't want it to rust no more, so his old tips were really rusted out. There's the part number on the Super 40 FLOWMASTER, 8525454. 8525454. There'll be a link in the description for it and the tips. There it is, right there. That's what it looks like. A lot nicer, a lot cleaner. Tailpipe's got another 5 years of use, so we said we're not going to change it for him, and we just changed the muffler because the mufflers were rotted out on it. Let you guys hear it in a second. Oh, that's clean. We put new life into this old gal. FLOWMASTER Super 40. There's sound decibels. Rev it higher. Again. Right at 97. That's perfect. Oh, that sounds good. FLOWMASTER Super 40. True duals. High flow cats, GMC Sierra. Let you guys hear it on the inside. FLOWMASTER Super 40 True Duals. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.